In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion as a mental health journal. It's a wonderful tool that allows you to track your thoughts and emotions in a digital format, making it easier to reflect on your mental well-being over time. This process will only take about 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll have a customizable space to document your mental health journey. Let's start by heading to your Notion workspace. Notion is an incredible platform that integrates your wiki, documents, and projects in one place. And adding a mental health journal is a simple yet powerful addition. Once you're on the Notion homepage, the next step is to log in. If you're not already logged in, simply click on the Login button in the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials, and you're all set to continue. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to navigate over to your Notion home. This serves as the central hub for all your workspaces and projects. From here, take a look at the sidebar and find the Templates option, which is where all the magic happens for setting up your mental health journal. Clicking Templates will bring up a plethora of pre-designed pages that you can adapt to suit your specific needs. In the next step, use the search bar at the top of the Templates section and type in Mental Health Journal. This search will yield a selection of templates specifically designed to support mental health tracking. Find one that resonates with you and fits your style of journaling. Once you've found a template that you like, click on it to explore its layout and features. This will give you a better idea of what to expect and how you might want to customize it later on. When you're ready, hit the Add button to include this template into your workspace. Adding the template will create a new page where you can begin customizing and inputting your personal entries. Now, take some time to edit the template you've added. This is where you can make this journal truly your own. Consider tweaking the prompts or sections according to what feels most relevant to your mental health tracking needs. You might want to add sections for daily reflections, mood logs, or gratitude notes. The ability to adapt these templates means you can ensure it truly serves your purposes and simplifies how you track your mental health over time. By following these steps, you've effectively turned Notion into a personalized mental health journal that's only a click away. Not only is it a great tool for personal reflection, but it can also enhance your overall awareness of your mental well-being. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you find comfort and clarity in your new Notion journal.